Disconnect. Whoa, I didn't mean to do that. What the fuck just happened? All right, tweet is out. Let's get to the chart now. We have Microsoft pulling back. Everything has been on a pullback today after that strong rally we had. SPY is struggling around 475. Oh yeah, it's still sitting there. I'm about to grab me a SPY put. Let's get in. Let's do locked in now. What is it? Let's make sure this mic is connected. Alright, yep, the mic is connected. We're good. What's up with the chat? Why can't I see the chat? There we go. To ask any questions. Alright, there we go. Gotta get used to sharing things as soon as I go live. Alright, that should be good enough for now. Let's get to the Alright, if they miss out on making this money, that's on them. We're jumping in the SPY puts, that's what we said, right? They got support around 475. I think we're gonna break below that 475 level today. There's been a lot of breakdown around SPY in the market, but SPY itself hasn't pulled back. So I'm thinking that we're gonna get that delayed pullback affecting SPY coming in once we break below 475. Oh yeah. I think we about to get a little pullback right here, my guy.
I mean, I hope so.
I see a little pullback coming. I'm about to put a put in on.
I thought this pullback was coming yesterday, bro, because the big caps and tech was looking weak all day. And
that's what I'm saying. The Apple's looking weak. Microsoft has been weak, and SPY, SPY hasn't followed behind it. So
SPY's just been like, I'm in the bull market, guys.
Yeah, come on, keep going up. No. You know what it is? A lot of those small caps had lag effects behind the mega cap, so they were probably holding up most of the market. Like those other 400 companies in the S&P 500 were probably pushing up. All right, we're looking for SPY puts, and I might do a Coinbase put.
Heavy wicking out around this area, though.
I mean, 475 is a support level, so 476.30 is resistance. I'm gonna get a 475 one-day put. They're almost $100 right now. I'm gonna get them before they hit 100. And I want to get Coinbase puts too, because Coinbase took off crazy this morning. I think they're gonna have a pullback.
Yeah.
Did you see how Coinbase reacted? Because Bitcoin's not taking off like that. So let's look at Bitcoin really quick. My baby Solana over $100 now. God damn, I missed the Solana wave. I need to get on that. Yeah, Bitcoin is going into weakness on the 30. So I could see Coinbase getting ready to pull back with that. let's get in the coin put right here. Get a coin. I'm gonna get a coin 170 put. Those are $100 right now. Alright, that's it. We put mania today. I need this shit to come down. So let's see.
Eli Lilly's on a downtrend right now.
Who else?
Eli Lilly.
Oh yeah. We need that to go down if we're gonna have SPY.
Right.
Microsoft going down as well. I gotta add Eli Lilly to this list. I got $100 left to trade with after those two trades. Should I get a triple Q put? Puts all the way through.
Wait it out.
Wait it out. I'm gonna wait. Let me see if the triple Qs break below the support right here. Let me see. I'm gonna put it right in here. If they break below the support level at 409.50, if they go below 409.50, then I'll grab a put.
Russia and Iran just agreed to trade in their local currencies, ditching the U.S. dollar.
Russia and who else?
Iran.
Iran, huh? Okay. Russia and Iran. Okay. Let me see. I want to see.
We want to get that 475.
Come on now, I'm in the put. Computer working, boy. I be live on YouTube, Facebook, Discord. They be working hard over here. No schedule reports this week. The next report isn't until the new. We have no economic reports until the new year. Market chatter. All right, hold on. Let's pull up the heat maps real quick. I like looking at the heat map. Get a good feel for what's happening out there. Oh, it's a really neutral day today. Let's look at crypto. They got ETF heat map now? Okay, look at TraderView. Look at TraderView with the ETF heat map.
Check this out. Thinkorswim allows you to trade SPY 15 minutes after the market close.
After the market close?
Yeah, until 4:15.
I think Robinhood started doing that too. With certain companies, they let you trade into extended trading hours. Yeah, I saw that with Robinhood. They started doing that. They started letting you trade on SPY until like 4:15, 4:30, like you said. All right. We up. The coin calls. The coin puts up. Let's pull up Coinbase. Let's simulate the entry we have right around. I'm gonna do it right around here with SPY. Hurry up! It's about to hit 475 fast. I told you, boy. 474.50 is gonna be the take profit. I'm gonna put an alert right there. And if
What did you got, boys?
Who that is? What's going on, my guy?
Oh shit.
Just jumped in some SPY puts right now, man. Oh, the coin put. Let me enter that trade too. Let me simulate that on here. It's quick and easy to do. Put this joint right here. Hey Brian, if you want to jump in, I'm doing puts on Coinbase, man. Profit will be 178.60. I'll put an alert right around there. And then
It's kind of hard again.
We'll take want that 475, right?
Yeah, man.
I ain't too worried. We may have a little pushback up to 475.80, but I don't think we're gonna push higher than 476. 476.10 would be, well, 476 would be my stop loss if we get back above 476. Keep the stop short. All right. Google and Apple looking down. Microsoft is going to join the trend. When Microsoft joins the party, which it already kind of has. Microsoft could go down to 372.08. We're going to look for that level right there. And right around there is probably where I should be able to exit my puts. G, what's going on, man?
I will need to go back to its lower day.
What time is it? 10:54. This hourly candlestick's about to close out. It's going to close out in pretty deep red. And then we'll see how the next hourly comes in.
Netflix just jumped.
Apple was finding support at this level. That's why I'm trying to watch. Oh, Apple broke down below that level. Okay. It was a quick breakdown. Now let's try to catch recovery. 191.65. Y'all can see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's level right here is what Apple's going to fight at. This 191.65. I don't see Apple coming back above 192.30. So as long as it don't push back above there, we should be okay. The 30-minute and the hourly are still in negative trend. They said Bitcoin's about to have a golden cross. I gotta look at that. I gotta look at that and see if that's about to happen. Because if so, Bitcoin gonna take off. Bitcoin golden cross. What are they looking at? Are they looking at the daily? And I know they're looking at the moving averages.
I mean, SPY jumped pretty high, but not as hard as I thought it would. I mean, it's still going.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. Oh, it is getting close to the golden cross. Okay. So which one is this? This is on the daily. I have the yellow 50 and the red is the 200 day. And okay. Well, it crossed there already. How about on the weekly? It crossed back here on the weekly. When the 50 day crossed the 200 day, that's when we had that big jump. And Bitcoin, should have seen that coming when that happened. Should have been able to time that perfectly. Let me see something. Let me move this over this way a little bit. Crypto analyst predicts Bitcoin to reach 130K. And here's when. That's why I like, give me dates. Let me know when to be ready for this. On Tuesday, CryptoCon took to Twitter to share latest projections. The price of Bitcoin will reach 130, and I'll definitely see a correction coming before that. Crypto reiterated his opinion that many weeks ago Bitcoin peaked at roughly 45,000. He further highlighted that the LM moving average, whatever, concludes another layer with a cross ending cycle mid-top trend. He suggests that Bitcoin is about to experience a significant pullback. The analyst highlighted that the correction ranges from 38 to 52% from its peak of around 45,000. You see how it's floating? It was pushing, and it stopped, and then it starts floating. So when it starts doing that, you gotta get ready to breakout or a correction coming in. And because of how strong Bitcoin rally, I see it as a correction coming in before another breakout. In addition, CryptoCom predicts that a period of correction lasting up to 5 to 6 months will follow the correction. He added that these declines would cease in May 2024 as he sees an upward trajectory despite his correction projection. I think during this pullback is when the ETFs is going to be approved, the halving, all that's going to happen, and all that big money is going to flood into the market. Yeah. They're going to try to catch it at the lower price. They don't want to buy it at this price. I can promise you that. I can promise you, no ETF, no hedge fund wants to buy Bitcoin at 50,000. They don't.
They're going to find a way to flood it.
Yeah. He sees an opportunities for investors to enter Bitcoin market at a more reasonable price during this possible correction. However, over-leveraged longs may suffer due to the potential correction from the recent highs.
Right. They probably thought that that CZ thing was going to be a bearish moment.
The CZ moment? It wasn't super bearish.
It wasn't bearish at all because we support him. We fuck with him. We ain't selling nothing off that.
Yeah, nobody sold. Everybody kept their money. Only a little bit of people sold.
We love CZ. I know that bullshit.
Let me see something. Let me do.
Oh shit! Mike,
what happened?
You know what? I had $50 in this bitch.
In what?
In Coinbase.
Oh, okay.
And I think, you know, when I did this.
Did you buy anything with it? Or you just put $50 in it? You didn't buy any Bitcoin or nothing?
No, I bought something.
Oh, your money should be up then.
Hold on. I bought something. I don't know what the fuck I bought. Okay, history. Yeah, I bought crypto.com coin.
That's the only thing you bought?
Yeah, that's the only thing I had.
Oh yeah, you might be down, my boy.
Yeah. That was December 27th of 2021.
Yeah, you're down. But hold on to that.
You know what? Nigga, I think I was sitting with you when I bought it.
Yeah, because that's the... that was the time, remember they was getting the name on the arena? Remember they was getting the name up on the arena and all that? And we was buying and then they took that big jump. Crypto.com coin when the Lakers were naming their arena.
Yeah, we bought it that night.
That night.
37 cents. 36 hours later, it was at 92 cents.
Sold. We was out of there.
Out of there.
Got up.
I know what my $50 was.
No, right.
All right, here comes fire again.
I got $7.38.
All right, SPY back on the pull down. I had to come and look at the option flow on usual whales. Looks like, let me share this screen with y'all right here so we can see the option flow. See how the institutions have a place to get out. I think it really will get 473. Only thing I'm worried about is these big ass buy-in blocks that are in here.
We're gonna get the 473 today.
I think we're gonna get 474.50 today, and then 473 tomorrow, unless we just go on a parabolic drop and we hit 472.50 today. But I don't know if that's gonna happen. Let me see something.
Nvidia trying to give that money back right now. Goddamn, Nvidia just went green.
Nvidia, Apple's dropping down below its support of 190.165. As long as Apple keeps pulling below the support, the next support I have for Apple is at 190.73. So we could have a decent little pullback on Apple. I don't care what Nvidia does. If Apple goes down, everybody going down. If Apple and Microsoft going down, it will take the rest of the market to be going up to hold up SPY. On the hourly,
Microsoft, right?
Yeah, Microsoft is what is giving me worries right now. I gotta see how long it's gonna last. I'm watching the rally on the 5-minute and seeing how long this is gonna play out before we get a reversal back down. I don't think we're gonna rally and go all the way back up though to the high of the day.
We keep coming back to test this zone, so this is the zone I feel like we're gonna break.
It floated here for a while.
We need to come back down to the low 475s.
We need Microsoft to come down to 372, but it's holding support at 373. It's holding at 373 level. That's what I was gonna tell you, to do, Brian. I got a put on coin. I was gonna tell you. Let me see something.
CLSK about to hit $13.
CLSK, baby, that's my baby. That thing has been pushing. I was thinking about getting some more, but I was like, let me wait till the next pullback, then I'll jump in. Add some more CLSK to the long term. Yeah, I'm gonna hold my coin. I might dollar cost average in on my Coinbase position because it's down right now. But I don't think Coinbase is about to take off like that. We down 8% on that.
That's what you're looking at? Coinbase?
Coinbase puts. Yeah, you see the chart on my screen?
Hold on.
That's a big ass buying block though, boy. Let's look at that.
Alright, hold on. Let me see. Buy Coinbase.
Goddess, what's going on? How you feeling? Good morning. Happy holidays. How was your Christmas?
Good, y'all. Cool. Happy holidays.
Same to you, same to you.
I'm just chilling right now. I want to jump in the trade, but I feel like because we in between the movie, I just need to sit on the
Hey, listen, I'm in puts right now. I jumped in SPY put and a Coinbase put. I feel like Coinbase had a big rally this morning. I think it's going to be a little sell-off up here, though. But I'm keeping a close eye on Bitcoin in alignment with it. Bitcoin, like, it was getting weak on the 30-minute. So I could see it breaking down below 42,800. If we pull it back down there, Coinbase is going to pull back. That's just a fact. Okay, Microsoft, like, it's topping out on the 5-minute. The upward momentum is giving out. That's what we need. Y'all have any companies y'all look at or want to look at in particular? I'm glad they put an ETF heat map up. I got to go through this. I'm excited. ETFs get me going, man. Some people get going off of meme coins. Some people with crypto coins. For me, it's finding a good, solid ETF. Alright, let's see who they got in here. And this is one of the reasons why. You see, let me see something. SPY is down 0.08% today, but Apple's down almost a whole percent. You know, you just don't get hit as hard. You may not experience the biggest of rallies when things go crazy, but on those pullbacks, you kind of cushion yourself with an ETF versus having an individual stock. Let's see. I heard of this one. What's XLK?
And then they pay dividends.
And they pay dividends. That's another thing. I like this ETF heat map. That's dope. Okay. Anyways, let's pull up some news. Let's see what's going on in the news flow. The New York Times sues Microsoft, OpenAI over alleged copyright infringement. New York Times said that Microsoft and ChatGPT maker OpenAI used engaged in unauthorized use of the publisher's content to create generative artificial intelligence products. Isn't that what AI does? They got to get permission from everybody. I didn't know. I thought they just scoured the internet for whatever was public information. I didn't know you had to. I guess. I don't know. I guess the people are using the information to write their articles, but is it word for word verbatim copy? The Times said in the complaint filed with the U.S. District Court that Microsoft and OpenAI used millions of its articles to train large language models. Those AI products now compete with AI robotic tears coming down. AI is taking our jobs. Yeah, y'all so worried about immigrants, right? You worry about the wrong thing taking your job. That was the whole big thing in America. Remember that? Oh, foreigners gonna come and they taking the job. They're killing the labor force. The impact this AI technology is about to have on the labor force. Oh, you're gonna see jobs impacted. You're gonna see real fast. Oh, ChatGPT could do this thing that I have 5 employees doing, and I only gotta pay $20 a month to ChatGPT. I don't gotta pay people salaries. What's his name? I just saw somebody that said that they cut like 5-6 people off their staff because they got ChatGPT now. Like people who are influencers and entertainers who have those big crews of people that do all these little different things, little things for them. They're not gonna need them people anymore. They're gonna delegate all that work to AI. Program it in, let it do it on an automatic basis for them. So I feel bad, but this is what the change of times are coming. Get with it or get lost. Apple to release AI Siri. There's going to be no Tesla robotaxi. Oh, shit. Let me see this. Let's read this article right here. Y'all can see the article?
Oh, shit. They dropped the price of their MacBook Pro.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all think Apple will sell some since they lost, or are they still dealing with the lawsuit about the patent with the Apple Watch?
Oh, yeah, I didn't hear you. What you say about the Apple Watch? They're going to try to do what with it?
You think that their stock won't start to sell since they're having a lawsuit over the patent for it?
Oh, yeah. Did they lose that case?
I believe they did.
Oh, shit. Yeah. That could have that could have an impact for sure. Okay, so deep water. These analysts obviously made some good predictions for 2023. They're saying that 6 of the 7 things they predicted to happen this year came true. So let's see what they're saying versus in 2024. They're saying that the Russell 2000 will outperform the S&P 500. That's a bold prediction. So they're pretty much saying small caps are going to outperform mega caps this year. Large technology platform companies like CrowdStrike, Palo Alto, and Datadog will likely be in acquisitive mode in the coming year as they continue to add point solutions. I agree with that. Palo Alto, CrowdStrike. I gotta look into Datadog more. But those data security companies, those are going to be major. They're going to continue to grow at a major rate. Let's pull up Palo Alto real quick. Let's look at their chart. Let's see what Coinbase is doing. Yeah, Coinbase bringing that ass down. All right, Palo Alto. Let's bring them up. I know I had them on the watch list. I might have levels on them. Let's see if I got any levels on them. They might have passed my levels, honestly. Yep, yeah, they did. I think they passed my highest level. All right, so I got to set new levels because this was my top level for them right here. at 294. They pulling back down to my level at 294 right now. They extended past it, but they wasn't able to hold up there. But if you look at Palo Alto, let's look at weekly because I want to see some macro performance of these data companies. I remember Palo Alto being like 150 for a good while. Right around here. Yep, this was back in 2022. Palo Alto was floating around that 150. It pushed up to 190s, but it was kept floating around 150. 150 was the price to get it. 150, 160, that was the time to jump in. It floated there for about a year before it took off. So, Palo Alto, what did he say? Datadog? Datadog is at 123. They bottomed out around 60, so they're up 100% from their bottom. Whereas the top of the range is around 195. Has some room to run. I like Datadog. And CrowdStrike. Let me see CrowdStrike. But I might like Palo Alto and CrowdStrike more than Datadog, honestly. Yeah. Yeah, definitely CrowdStrike as well. CrowdStrike is getting ready to approach an all-time high at 300. It's up 145% year to date. Okay. I gotta add CrowdStrike to the watch list because I don't think they're in my watch list. CrowdStrike to the watch list. I know Palo Alto's in there. I'm not adding Datadog. I'm not gonna do Datadog. I'm gonna do CrowdStrike and Palo Alto. Those are gonna be my companies I watch in that sector. All right, let's go back down. Let's see. They're saying they're gonna be doing a lot of acquisitions this year. There was just an acquisition today. Honestly, I forget what company, but it was like a 300% rise. Come on.
I'm being a real fuck nigga, man.
Spy?
For the last 2 days, Spy's like, I don't need Apple and Microsoft to flourish.
I could push up without them. They don't control me. We need that 170. We need that 475 level to break, bro. Let's hold it. Let's hold it.
Over here acting like Tesla could hold you down.
It's holding right here. It's holding. Let's see what Apple's doing. Apple's still pushing down. Microsoft is rejected back down now. Yeah. It should be coming back down, man. What the hell is Spy doing, man? What's holding them up?
Just back up slightly.
What's Eli Lilly doing? Is Eli Lilly holding them up? Oh, shit.
For the last 2 days.
It's my weekly. Let me go to this one right here. Yeah, Eli Lilly. That's what it is. Eli Lilly's starting to break down now. Showing us this week. On the 30, it's reaching like a double top for Eli Lilly. So we may start.
That's good.
Yeah, we may start to get a little rejection here on the 30-minute.
Double top usually offer some big downturn.
Yeah. 573 is where Eli Lilly could pull back to. It's at 575.30 right now. If it comes back to 573, we definitely going to get a major pull down on Spy.
Yeah.
Spy needs to stop playing right here, though. Stop playing with me. I don't know what's pushing it up right now. Let me pull up the Russell 2000 because he's saying that is one that's going to push up this year.
Is Tesla, Meta, and Eli Lilly holding Spy up right now?
Do you got different watch lists set up on TradeView, or you got everything in one watch list?
No, my watch list I put on Thinkorswim.
Okay.
TradeView, I simply use it for charting.
Okay. Yeah, nah, man. TradeView got me. I be using them for everything now. Charting, watch lists, levels, indicators. Because it's just like all in one. I just paid for the membership, like fuck it. So I can use as many indicators as I need. Alright, SPY. What are we doing here, SPY? Let's look at SPY on the 5 minute. What it's doing on the 3 minute. 3 minute across to the green. SPY.
15 minutes just printed a light red, bro.
See if it could hold below. Actually, really like 475. Yeah, 475.90 definitely should be able to hold below there. It shouldn't push back up over that level unless it's catching strength again.
Joe Biden need to come out and say some dumb shit right now.
Right now, Joe. Come on TV and say something. We need you to speak. We need to hear from our president. We need to hear from our commander-in-chief.
He needs to wake up right now and be like, I need to say something from the heart.
I want to go speak to the American people from the heart.
We're gonna die.
China's taking over.
Politics is so funny, dog.
This is crazy because the puts, the open interest on the puts have gone up crazy today. 453 puts went up by, open interest on those went up by 360%. Here, let me share my screen right here so you can see. I'm on the Unusual Whales website. Is that it? Yeah.
That's just trading view.
Yeah, hold on. This one right here. So you see that put open interest that kicked in?
Mm-hmm.
And then you got the chart up here, open interest trend. Look how much puts versus calls right now. We got $11 million in puts versus $6 million in calls.
What the fuck is SPY doing?
That's what I'm saying, man. SPY should be tanking right now, bruh. We should definitely have hit the 473.
Until when?
Until after 12, like that one. It's gonna do that 2 o'clock shit. When it's not gonna happen, that's gonna happen until 2 o'clock. So after 2 o'clock, it's gonna drag you all day. Look how much open interest on the 441 puts, boy.
We got a level at 474.80. If it could break that, then we can come down to what is it? I see 474.30.
I like how they give you the dark pool, the SPY dark pool and public equity key prices. These are key price levels that people are watching for right here. 475.50 is one of them. So that's probably why it's struggling so much right here. That 475.50 level has a lot of activity. Once we break that though, we coming that down towards 470, man, I'm telling you. But we gotta break this 475 first. If that doesn't break, we in trouble.
At least 474.50. Gotta aid in the pullback.
Big flow. Let's see big flow on the SPY right now. Let's see what they give me. Let's see what Unusual Well shows. Oh shit, a lot of calls coming in right now at 11:24, 435 calls, 445 calls. This is now heavy call flow in the last 30 minutes or so. Let's see what the news is saying. This is why all you can do is play your level and play the range, man. Sometimes the news is all over the place. So you gotta set your level, set your range, and just stick with it. You know, let it be what it, let it do what it's doing. I trust the technical. I trust the pullback. In the 30, I trust, volume and momentum. So As volatility comes down, it's becoming a more stable, eased out market. Damn, it's right on one of my support levels. That's crazy that and the market's sitting here. Come on, bounce up off this. Let's see how much the VIX has pulled below here. The VIX has pulled below this level. It's going down to 1189. But 1262 hasn't been able to pull and hold below that level for more than like 4 days. So what's Apple doing right now? Apple's still pushing down. I should have got an Apple put, man. I should have got an Apple put. Apple is bleeding right now.
Apple reacts when it's SPY.
That's crazy, right? Oh man. Okay, let's see what the news says right here. Let me share the screen with y'all. A record share of S&P 500 stocks have underperformed the index in 2023 as the weirdest bull market in decade marches on. A weird bull market. What were we just saying? How is SPY pushing up and Apple and them starting to come down? Something's weird here. Something strange is supporting the SPY this year. Many analysts have expressed concern that the U.S. market has become too top-heavy as a handful of mega-cap stocks nicknamed the Magnificent Seven by Jim Cramer drove virtually all of the index's gains, spurred by artificial intelligence boom. So they're saying the market is top-heavy right now, which I can agree. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Tesla, all of Amazon, they've been pulling the market crazy this year. So I guess it makes sense that in that other article we were reading, why the analyst said that the Russell 2000 may outperform the S&P 500 this year upcoming, because the top heavy stocks may slow down and the bottom half is going to catch up. Alright, SPY, you playing games with my heart right now. Alright, the 5 minute is in the green. Let's see what it does. Like I said, I don't see us getting above 475.80. But if we get above there, SPY, you got me. Okay, you got me today. But I don't see that happening.
From 475.80, you think it'll reject all the way down to 475?
If we get up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the last point. That's why I said if it gets above there, if it breaks above 475, like 85, then we probably gonna start pushing up somehow.
Somehow.
Yeah, because Apple may stop going down, and if Apple just stops going down, yeah, look at Apple. It's starting to catch its support right here. That's why we're pulling up right now. It's still holding that 191.60 level, right? It's not. It's not truly closing below it on the hourly. Yeah,
It looks like 475.50 is a pretty strong level too.
super strong level right now, bro, for SPY.
It was acting as support yesterday, and now it's acting as resistance.
Yeah, we were only below it for about an hour. We were below 470. Yeah, we were below 475.50 for like an hour, from like around 10 to 11, and now it's starting to come back up.
Mm-hmm.
Now the 30's starting to lighten up. I might have to get up out of there. Yeah, time to go.
You're not gonna even wait till 80?
Nope. Nope. No need to wait. I'm down 12%, or 15% now. Taking this L. Hold on, let me see something.
The hourly's still dark red.
Yeah, I'm looking at the volume kicking in right now. This volume, well, this 15-minute candlestick just started. Let me give it a second, because I don't know where all this volume's coming from, because it's not been high volume throughout the day like that. So for in the first 3 minutes for there to be 100,000 buys in the first 3 minutes of this candlestick now, it's like, where are these orders coming from? Most of these 15-minute candlesticks are 100,000 buys to, say, 130,000 buys, 170,000 sales. 170,000 buys, 120,000 sales. This candlestick just started, already got 124,000 buys. Like, how did it get that many buys so fast in 3 minutes? But anyways, let's go back to what this analyst was projecting. Apple to dip heels into AI pool. Deepwater expects Apple to bring generative AI to Siri with an announcement regarding this, likely to be made with the WWDC 2024. Also, the tech giant is unlikely to announce any additional devices in the Vision product line and will merely sell 400,000 to 500,000 units of the Vision Pro. EV market growth to slow further. So Deepwater expects EV delivery growth to slow down from 40% in 2020. Okay. IPO market to rebound in the cards. The number of IPOs will increase from 153 in 2023 to about 200 in 2024 to bring it on par with 2019 levels. So they're saying we're going to have as many IPOs as we were having in 2019. I remember every week it was like an IPO in 2019. New company coming out every week. Gaming crown. Take-Two Interactive will likely be the best performing U.S. gaming stock in 2024 due to the anticipation of GTA 6. That's true. It's not a lie at all, bro. That's almost like a given play. Like you could start locking that in now. Because you know GTA 6 is going to sell. Let's see what Take-Two is trading at right now. Yep, took my loss on SPY. If it pushed all the way back up here to reject all the way back down, that would be crazy. But, you know, SPY does shit like that. I feel like I didn't really want to trade this week because it was a holiday week. And the rhythm is going to be off, you know? Like, the rhythm of the market's not going to be seen. That's probably why we have such weird price action right now. You know, a lot of people on vacation. A lot of the normal traders not even in the market right now.
Pulling money out.
For vacations and trips and stuff. Let me see some. But I do not believe Coinbase is going over 186. I'm holding in this put right here, boy. I don't believe it. But go back to this article. Oh, that's why I was looking up Take Two. Let's look up Take Two. It's crazy. Take Two was at 210 at one point. This was at 210 back in February 2021. Had a steep decline, came all the way down to $98, and now it's back up at 160 with good support levels underneath it, good areas of support. Take Two. Let me put a little levels and I'll Take Two.
They own True Pay True. But they said they might lose the license for NBA.
Who?
No, Take Two about to take off. I mean, EA Sports.
EA Sports may lose that license. I would say these other companies gonna be jumping on that shit now.
Right, I'm tripping. Take Two about to take off.
Take Two could take off. Well, that's why I'm setting these levels right now. Alright, so we got that. We got this right here. And then we got a level right here. And we got another weekly level when it had a little triple top right. Oh yeah, that's definitely level. Then right above that right here. Alright, quick level set. Let me see something. Alright. So, Take Two taking off next year. That I can agree with. I can agree with Apple integrating more AI or making it more obvious how they're integrating AI into Siri. And let's see, any other interesting news out here right now? Alright, let me end the live on YouTube. Appreciate everybody who joined the live here. Hope you guys got some good little trading tips or gems. Join us next time when we go live next week, Wednesday. It should be a little bit more of a normal market since it's not a holiday week anymore. The market should restabilize into whatever it's looking to do for 2024. I'm really going to look into the Russell 2000 because I might start trading them a little more. I might actually add them to the portfolio as well for the year of 2024 as a long-term investment for the year. Hold them as a yearly hold, so pretty much hold them for over a year so I don't have to pay a higher capital gains tax on that investment once I sell it. But I don't know about holding them for 3 to 5 years like some of my other long-term holds. I'll have to reanalyze the Russell 2000 and see exactly